Hey guys, and welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today we're going to look at a flush valve for a Kohler toilet. So this Kohler toilet is a one-piece Kohler toilet. Fits a lot of your Rialto, San Raphael models, and it's a little bit unique. We're going to open this up and take a look at it. The model is the 84996 Kohler flush valve assembly kit. Let's open that up. Set that box to the side. Now, included in this kit is the flush valve, the flapper, the gasket, the chain and hook, and also some installation instructions. Kind of shows you how to do it. So this one here, it's very unique. It actually doesn't mount down in the bottom of the tank. It actually mounts forward. So this goes in, and if you notice here, it's got 3 notches. And what you got to do is you put this soft spongy gasket around here. You go down in the toilet, you find out where those holes are inside that tank, and you'll have it almost angled, and you'll apply pressure to compress this gasket and then turn. And what that does, that locks it in place. That's how it mounts. There's no threads or anything like a traditional flush valve, and this locks in place and that gasket holds there. These are famous for these notches breaking on these, and that's why you usually have to replace this. The flapper itself is a unique flapper as well. It rides up and down like that, but it mounts on the back. It's got these little grooves that this thing snaps into place. You can actually pull this out. And that's the flapper. It's very unique. It's different from any other flapper on most of your common toilets. And to do that, like say you slide this down, and you can adjust it. That's why there's so many different grooves. You can adjust it to where it needs to be able to get that good seal. It's usually down towards the bottom. I think that's where it was when I opened the package. Sometimes you got to stretch it a little bit to get it to go in there. Actually, the newer replacement ones, like this one here, the flapper is a GP 84995. It's actually got a plastic rod instead of a rubber connection there, and that's the genuine OEM product. So if you look here up top, it shows some of those one-piece toilets that fits it. You know, the Rialto was probably the most common, that 3386, San Raphael 3467s, Rosero 3434. The Revival wasn't as common of a toilet. It's more of a unique looking toilet, and so there's not a whole lot of those out there. And it has directions on the flapper package, kind of showing you how to install it. But and even the instructions here, if you notice here, it shows the notched holes where you have to angle it, put it in, compress that gasket, and twist it. And so the arrow shows it twisting to lock it in place. So it kind of gives you an idea of how to do this. But if you guys have any questions about it, comment below or send me an email, info@plumbingpartspro.com. Give me a subscribe. I've got a lot of different items coming out on the website. I'll have the link in the description down below so you can purchase this if you need this. I'll put a link for the flush valve as well as the flapper, and get you guys all fixed up. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a good day.